we've got a kale, which will bring a bit of greenery to the garden, and it will also produce food if required as well. Just some ideas to get some colour over winter, and if you plant evergreens, more colour as possible. So they got this one here is a japonica variety, and you got yellows and greens and whites and some berries on this occasionally as well. Looks really nice, and you can see some of the flower buds coming out just about now. This one here is sedum hotstuff, and although the plants died back for winter, it got plenty of colour still left on it. So another idea to get loads of colour is just leave some of your plants in and let them rot down over winter, but you're still enjoying the autumn colours off them. We've got a euphorbia, which looks really nice in winter. It stays green as well, and it's hardy to -13 degrees. If you've got loads of space and not much money to fill up some areas, then herbs are really good. But and a lot of them, like the sages, oreganos, marjorans, they'll stay green over winter, and again it's a food source, which is really good. This is a heather. It's a new heather just put in, and with heathers, they produce flowers over winter, or autumn, late autumn, winter and early spring, and most of the time the flowers on heathers are edible. What you do is you boil them up to make a herbal tea, and it tastes a bit like honey. So again, something else you can plant in the front garden or wherever, a winter garden to bring lots of colour in. Many times you get a lot of grasses which turn different colours in winter, so this one here turns bright blue, so I'm looking forward to that. Not tried this plant before, but again some more winter colour ideas. Conifers and bamboos are another great thing to grow to add a bit more colour in the garden. The other thing as well I'm planting a lot of, we've got Fatsia japonica down there, some more kale, and even some Swiss chard to bring some colour into the winter garden. This is a blueberry bush, and as you can see the leaves in winter turn really vibrant bright red. An excellent plant to have over autumn, winter, early spring, because you're getting the different colours of the leaves, the different colours of the branches, and then in spring it's coming out with a nice green foliage as well, so it looks really good and gives a bit of variety to the garden. Even doing stuff which is completely free, so when leaves fall down on the garden, just leave them there. It adds a bit of colour, adds texture to the soil, and it's somewhere for the animals or insects to hibernate as well, which is ideal. And again, another this is rosemary, another herb I've got there, and next to there we've got some violas, we've got some winter pansies as well, and various other flowers as well. You can pick up relatively cheap, pack of 12, maybe £3 or so. So I've got about 100 of them, 100 plants, not 100 packs. Now this one at the moment is doing absolutely brilliant. This is called the Christmas rose. Looks different to a regular rose, but it's hardy again to -12 or 13 degrees, and it's very quick to get established as well. Only grows about 30 centimetres high, and really happy with its performance so far. It's only been in for about a week.